Good morning, welcome to my YouTube channel. These are canaries. There are about 12 or 13 canaries in this cage. As you can see, these are amazing canaries. These canaries are very smart. These are smart canaries. These are healthy canaries. They are very healthy, as you can see. There is a container that contains millet. They feed on millet and corn. And there's another container in the cage that contains water from which they drink. There's a container that contains millet from which they eat. These are amazing birds. These are amazing canaries. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.